Hello, welcome to chinnadevtech, our YouTube channel. E-commerce domain, Amazon application. Today overview of the what are the technologies required to develop the Amazon application. Technologies: backend, language Java 8+, framework Spring Boot with microservice, object relational mapping, Spring Data JPA, security, Spring Security Plus, JWT, distributed system, RESTful APIs to develop the REST API calls, microservices and communication, service to service communication by using REST. REST for the synchronous communication, PN client for the inter-service communication, event streaming by using the Apache Kafka, asynchronous communication, storaging purpose, database layer, MySQL database we use, DevOps and deployment by using Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins. Application will be deployed in the Jenkins. Front-end using React.js, API calls, Axios, tools, build tool, Amazon, code repository by using the GitHub, SCM, source code repository, Postman for API testing, Swagger for the API talks. For more videos, please subscribe our channel, chinnadevtech. This is the overview of the e-commerce application. E-commerce application. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. If it is useful, please like the like button. If any doubt, comment on this. I will reply on comment box. Please subscribe our channel, chinnadevtech. Thank you. Thank you for watching.